Hello. In this tutorial, let us deploy ML model, so that we can consume it as API for predictions on live events. Here I am in lone default model, which is already trained and we can see the executions. Let's deploy this logistic regression model as web service. Here I am versioning it as v1.0 and deploying it. After refresh, we can see that deployment is successful. Here we can see the API definition for predictions on data. API can be synchronous or batch, which takes a file. Let's run and verify synchronous predict API for some data. Here I am copying the URL and authorization header. I am executing the web service API for this data. We can successfully see the prediction results here. This web service is successfully verified. Now let's deploy different algo of this model. Here I am selecting random forest algorithm, versioning it with v2.0 and deploying it. Now we can see both the model web services. We can call any of these web service APIs. Thank you.